Hey there, my name's Adam. Welcome to the 122nd week of my renovation here on Iris Street. It's another week of full drywall mudding. I think I only have one more week of drywall mudding left, truly. This week, I got caught up to the point where the only thing left for next week is going to be my three-way corners and a little bit of gang box repair. Some of these were cut a little bit too big, so I'll have to tape and mud those. Otherwise, I just do a ton of odds and ends mudding wise this week, so let's check that out. On Wednesday, I tackle mudding in the stairwell. These joints are hard to reach, which is the main reason I haven't tackled them yet. The flip side is that a little mud and sanding here makes things look great. This extension houses my dryer vent. This extension houses an HVAC return. I cut these circle gangs too big, so they get tidied up with some mud and tape. Small forgotten joints finally get mudded. These 12-inch jambs finally get their mud too. On Thursday, I sand the mudding jobs from yesterday. The 12-inch jambs are now mudded on the outside. I end the day by patching a few overlooked screw holes. With every coat of mud comes a cleanup round of sanding. Now that these jambs have been mudded and sanded, they're ready for their second coat. With the second coat of mud dry, these jambs get sanded. Again. It's like this for everything in the house. I wasn't able to mud all the corners last week, so today I knock out the porch, the closets, the bathrooms, and the basement. The remaining corners are too narrow for my level 5 tools, so I finished them by hand. On Sunday, I enjoy another round of sanding on all the corners I mudded yesterday. Yay! As I sand, I notice little areas that need another coat of mud, so I tackle some corners and factory joints once sanding is complete. I haven't finalized my tile plans in the bathrooms yet, so I ensure the mud around the tub is tight and clean. The same goes for the shower pan. On my lunch break, I sand some more forgotten joints. In the evening, it's back to sanding. After some more mud in the porch, I call it a night. Thanks for watching. We'll see if I can finish all the remaining mudding next week, like I said. Until then, happy renovating.